Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am gonna make a Valentine Day special greeting card. For that, I have taken two A4 size sheets, one of a pink color and another is a white color sheet. I will fold them into half. Fold these sheets into halves. And now we'll draw a heart-like shape starting from there. Now we will cut this with the help of scissor. Start cutting. So I have cut it and I got this shape. Now I will cut this white sheet a little smaller than the pink one because I have to paste it inside it. So I will cut it. So I got this cutting. Now I will paste it here inside the card. Just paste it here. So it's ready. Okay. Now I will draw the borders by using red sketch pen. Draw borders by using red sketch pen like this. So I have drawn this border. Now I will draw a border inside the card also like this. So I have filled all the borders with red sketch pen. Now we'll start decorating our greeting card. For that I have these pearl stickers. You can get these kind of pearl stickers from any stationery shop. I will paste these stickers on the borders like this. I will cover full border with these pearl stickers. So I have covered all the border with these pearl stickers. Now I will use red sketch pen and we'll draw two hearts there. And also color them with the same color and make the eyes with black sketch pen. Their hands and legs. It's done. Write with neon pen. Now I have these red color heart stickers. I will paste them here. A sticker here and another on the other side. Okay, now inside the card also I will paste some stickers. You can get these stickers from any stationery shop. These are really very easily available everywhere. Now we'll make small hearts inside the card. And you can write small messages in these hearts. Now write small messages here, like I am writing here forever, mine, love you, etc. You can write messages like these in these hearts. So this is our Valentine Day greeting. Now I'll make some stars by using star marker. and coloring these hearts with red crayon. Again, I am making some stars by using star marker. So this is our Valentine Day greeting card. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy Valentine's Day.